This is Google Pixel 8a, and today I'll show how you can hard reset this phone through its recovery mode. So first, unlock its screen, then simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons, volume up and power buttons, and then power your device off. Once the device is switched off all the way, simultaneously press and hold the power and volume down buttons, like that, and release them once you'll see the fast boot interface. Here it is. Now use the volume rocker to scroll this menu to your right, then find the recovery mode and press the power key. Here, once again, hold the power button and press the volume up key once. And now we are in the Android recovery menu. Once again, use the volume rocker to navigate, select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and then press the power key to confirm. Then select the Factory Data Reset and confirm once again. Now wait for the data wipe to be completed, then press or select and confirm the Reboot System Now option. And well, the hard reset procedure has been performed successfully. Now our phone should be rebooted directly into the initial system setup menu. So let's wait for that, and well, then I'll finish the video. So here is your initial setup, and well, that means that this video is concluded. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.